Hey guys, this plant right here is my pick for the most craziest houseplant. Most craziest, I don't really care. This thing is insane. Take a look at it. Stay tuned, I'm going to explain everything. This plant has it all, trust me. It's not just the crazy flowers that don't even look like flowers, or the fact that it has this vibrant pink color. These are just a part of what make this plant so much fun. There are, however, some potential pitfalls to owning one of these plants. If you're looking for more pink houseplant ideas, check out my video that I did on pink houseplants. I'll throw up a link and add one to the description down below. Potential pitfalls, crucial care tips, all coming up. Thanks for checking out this video. I'm Tyler, and if you like what you're seeing or you find this video to be useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, or better yet, you can subscribe to my channel. Alors, on appelle cette plante une chenille parce que ça a l'air d'une chenille. C'est probable que beaucoup d'entre vous n'avaient aucune idée que je puisse parler en français. Je n'ai pas l'opportunité de parler en français comme je l'avais avant. Un peu d'histoire avec mon expérience avec le français avant de continuer avec les détails de cette plante. J'ai vécu en France pendant un trimestre de lycée. J'ai travaillé à Montréal, au Canada, à un moment donné aussi. Certes, j'ai étudié la langue française à l'université, mais ça fait plus que 10 ans depuis obtenir mon diplôme et presque 5 ans depuis déménager aux États-Unis où personne parle français avec moi. De toute façon, la raison pour laquelle on appelle ceci une plante chenille pour ceux qui ne parlent pas en français, c'est grâce à sa ressemblance à une chenille. En anglais, on dit caterpillar. Anyways, before jumping into the crucial care tips for this plant, you need to know that these plants are highly susceptible to spider mites. Ew, gross, I know. There are some things you can do at home to prevent spider mites attacking your plant if you're unsure if they're lurking around. So get out a pen and paper and jot down some notes. First, spritzing your plant daily with some cold water can really help prevent spider mites sort of taking a hold of the plant. As well as not letting the soil completely dry out is another sort of great strategy to avoid spider mites. Alternatively, if you do see any sort of like weird webbing action or any kind of spider mite, you're gonna wanna act super quickly. Neem oil can do the trick if you're diligent. Don't forget to isolate the plant as quickly as possible because spider mites unfortunately can travel to other plants, especially if you just picked this up on the plant that you brought home. So isolate it in a bathtub if you do have one. That can be a great spot to sort of care and treat the plant in the interim. Otherwise, let's jump into crucial care tips for the chenille plant. In terms of lighting these plants, as an indoor plant, want full bright sun. So placing them in a hanging basket like this one is here in a south-facing window is your best bet. These plants need to be watered and fertilized regularly. So you're not gonna want to let the soil dry out, and you're gonna really want to pay attention to sort of the moisture level for these plants. They are pretty fast growers, so diluting your liquid fertilizer to about a 50% strength will really allow you to fertilize these plants on a weekly basis, and that's probably a good idea. Now, I currently don't yet have an interesting or sizable hanging basket to put this guy into. So for now, I'm going to be keeping it in its original basket, the one that it came in when I purchased it. But if you are sort of transplanting one of these or repotting them, let me tell you the ideal soil mix you'll need. You are going to want a sandy, loamy soil mix, and ideally these plants are happy with a soil pH from anywhere from a 5 to about a 7.5. The flowers of the chenille plant are the part that are worth noting. They're so interesting. Now, the pink fuzzy catkins that grow from the flower are truly what make this plant fascinating, and they can actually grow to longer than a foot. As you can see, I have some here that are about halfway there. Well, that's it for me. I hope you guys found this video to be useful. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the subscribe button. Until the next one, miss you guys already.
Wake up and smell the roses.